tea time snacks is something that we always look for and we try new recipes. Today's recipe is a lovely tea time snack. This is Beetroot Vadai. Let's get started and check out the recipe. For the Beetroot Vadai, first we're going to soak 2 ingredients. One is the Toor Dal. I've taken 1/4 cup of Toor Dal. Wash the dal and pour a little water. Soak the dal for 2 hours minimum. Next add half cup of Chana Dal. Wash the dal, pour enough water to soak it and let it soak for about 2 hours. Now I'm going to make the vada batter. For this I've taken 5 red chilies, half teaspoon of Fennel Seeds. Remove all the water and then add the Chana Dal first. Remove the water from the Toor Dal and add it into the mixer jar. Add a teaspoon of rock salt. Grind it to a nice coarse mixture. So you can see I've ground this mixture without any water. To this I'm going to add 1 large onion finely chopped, 2 green chilies finely chopped, 1 teaspoon finely chopped ginger and 1 medium sized beetroot that's been very finely grated. Add a few chopped curry leaves. Mix everything together. Take a little bit of the batter between your palms, just flatten it. You can adjust the size of the vada accordingly. Deep fry the beetroot vadas till they are nice and crispy. So here are these delicious and crispy beetroot vadai that you can try, and it's a different take on the regular kadala paruppu vadai. So do try and enjoy with some tea or coffee. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on Amazon and 21 Frames.